Welcome to episode 39 of the Snowflake Snowpro Core Certification In-Depth Training Podcast, brought to you by Brightflux. I'm your host, Yaqub Abdul Hakim, a certified Snowflake user committed to helping you navigate the vast landscape of Snowflake's features and capabilities. Today, we're delving into a crucial aspect for optimizing performance and managing resources effectively in Snowflake: the effective use of the data cache. Understanding the fundamentals, Snowflake's architecture separates compute and storage, allowing for scalable and efficient data processing. At the heart of the system is Snowflake's innovative use of caching to significantly reduce data access times and increase overall performance. There are three main types of cache in Snowflake: the result cache, the warehouse cache, and the metadata cache. Each serves a specific purpose and, when leveraged correctly, can dramatically enhance your Snowflake experience. Result cache. The result cache stores the results of every query for 24 hours or until the underlying data changes. This means that if you or someone in your role within your organization executes the same query within this time frame, Snowflake will retrieve the results from this cache rather than re-executing the query. This can lead to significant time and resource savings. Understanding how to effectively use the result cache is a cornerstone of optimizing performance in Snowflake. Warehouse cache. Next is the warehouse cache, which retains data that has been recently accessed by queries in your virtual warehouses. By keeping this data in cache, Snowflake can provide quicker access the next time it's needed, thereby reducing the time and compute resources required for repeated data accesses. Proper management of your virtual warehouses and an understanding of your data access patterns are essential for maximizing the use of the warehouse cache. Metadata cache. Lastly, the metadata cache stores information about the structure of your databases, tables, and other database objects. This allows Snowflake to quickly validate queries and understand the relationships between different data objects, speeding up query compilation times. Ensuring your schema design and database objects are optimized can aid in making the most of the metadata cache. Best practices for cache utilization. 1. Understand your data access patterns and design your queries and warehouse operations around them. This will help you make the most efficient use of the result and warehouse caches. 2. Invalidate the cache purposefully. Since the result cache is invalidated when underlying data changes, use data manipulation operations judiciously. 3. Monitor and analyze query performance to Snowflake's history and query profile. This will help you identify whether your queries are being served from the cache and guide your optimization efforts. 4. Regularly revisit your schema and database designs to ensure they are as optimized as possible, making efficient use of the metadata cache. By mastering these concepts and practices, listeners of our podcast can significantly improve their Snowflake performance, save on compute costs, and prepare thoroughly for the Snowflake Snowpro Core Certification. Remember, effective cache utilization is not just about saving time and resources, it's about strategically managing them to align with your business objectives and workloads. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into the effective use of the data cache in Snowflake. This has been episode 39 of the Snowflake Snowpro Core Certification In-Depth Training Podcast. Stay tuned for more episodes that will help guide your path to certification success. Signing off, I'm Yaqub Abdul Hakim from Brightflux. See you in the next episode.